But you knew that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. But if it's not, you're an OG, you always watch my videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. So let's jump straight into today's video, okay? Let's not waste any time. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful ponytail hairstyle and I'm going to be showing you how I achieve it. Now, if you're a beginner and you're not really good at styling your natural hair, the one tip I can give you for that smooth, slick, and flat ponytail is to work in sections. Now, if you noticed, I gelled up my hair in sections. I was even a bit lazy about it, if I'm being honest. I typically go in much smaller sections, but I think I did I did enough for it to come out flat, okay? And I use the Wetline Extreme Gel because that gives me enough hold, and you also want to make sure that you're putting enough product. I went in with a piece of like a rope or string, and I just used that to tie up my hair, and then I braided it up, wrapped it into a bun, and I just secured that. And you want to make sure you definitely tie this down to set in place. This is my hair the next day. I already did my edges off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach my ponytail, which is the star of the show. I got this ponytail from Curlsqueen. It's their 3C4A Jerry Curly ponytail, and when I tell you that this is one of the softest curly hairs I have ever felt, like it felt so springy and so soft. Like I honestly cannot explain how soft this hair was. It also came with some freebies, which we always love. It came with this adjustable bonnet. I'm actually excited to try because I know it won't come off my head, and it also came with a brush. So now I'm just going to attach the ponytail onto my head. The same exact method, nothing special here. I just attach the clips and then I use the drawstring to secure it. I wrap that around the base of the ponytail, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and take a piece of the hair from the ponytail as well, and I'm just going to use that to wrap around the base just to conceal it and make it all look a bit more natural. Now, you guys are not going to believe me, but do you know that people actually thought this was my hair? Like I wore this as a bun, I wore it down as a ponytail, and I would get so many compliments, and people would touch it and be like, oh my gosh, it's so soft, is this your hair? And oh my god, I used to be so blown away. But yes, I was claiming it as my hair, of course. Anyways, I went ahead and defined the hair with some curl cream, and you can just see how curly and bouncy and soft. Oh my gosh, the hair was literally gliding through my brush. Like I was so obsessed with this hair, I couldn't stop shaking my head. I'll definitely link it for you guys because I believe every girl should have one. So now let's get into the styling. I diffused the hair just to get it a bit dry, and here I'm just picking it out for some more volume. If you don't want it as full, you can definitely leave it as is. And this is style number 1, guys. Just a simple high ponytail. I think this is like perfect for a nice formal event. Very nice, very cute, very sexy. You look put together for sure. Now this is hairstyle number 2. I switched the same hairstyle into a high puff, and all you do is just add a band up there and just fluff it up and just, you know, do your thing, and it turns into a little high puff. Now I'm a little partial to this one because it's like your cute everyday running errands type of look, and yeah, I really like this. The hair is out of your neck as well. Now for look number 3, I decided to wrap it up into a bun. See what I did there? But yeah, I basically wrapped it up, just pinned it up into a nice bun. You can never go wrong with the bun. It's perfect for work, formal events. You can make it messy and sexy, and then it's perfect for date night. I honestly love buns. So yeah, that's style number 3. And for style number 4, I decided to go old school poetic justice vibes by adding a white scarf, and I honestly think that the scarf with the print on my top just gave pure 90s. And I honestly love a good scarf hairstyle. If you know me, then you know this, and I think this style is perfect. Like again, it's given every day, it's given running errands, it's given brunch with the girls, it's given picnic dates, it's given I'm going to the zoo, it's given I'm going to church. Oh my gosh, it's endless. You can wear this anywhere, and I absolutely loved how this particular look came out. This was my favorite for sure. But yeah, those are the 4 styles I was able to create with this ponytail. Let me know which one of them was your favorite in the comments, and of course I will have a direct link to this one that I have on for you in my description box, so you can go get yours as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.